Hi guys, it's Akemini here. So guys, today we are going to go over the EURUSD trade I took on my account and how I made the profits and some of the things I looked at before taking the trades. Although I called a few other trades in my Telegram channel, but the very one I want to lay emphasis on is the EURUSD trade because it made a lot of sense. And as you all know, I love trading EURUSD. Just in case you don't know, I love trading EURUSD. Okay, so guys, so I think I made about I took a few trades on gold, GBP JPY, US oil, AUD JPY, but EURUSD happened to be the most profitable. As today's profit is like $2,000 plus. So guys, looking at my screen, I have EURUSD before you. So EURUSD is actually a very strong pair and one of the world's most traded pair. Why is it one of the world's most traded pair? Yeah, a lot of people trade European versus United States pair. As you all know, Europe is a continent with with many countries, and Russia is from Europe, Germany, Europe, Ukraine, Europe, Estonia, Europe. I mean, name these countries, they are European countries. Even Russia is bigger than Africa. Just one country in one continent is bigger than the whole continent of blacks. Wow. So why I trade EURUSD is because when you look at the continents and the European countries like Russia and Germany, they tend to be very strong against United States. United States today controls, almost everything in the world and in quotes, world power. So if you have two strong people, fighting for something, most times it's hard to tell the winner. Just like betting in Usman Kamaru, who happens to be a kickboxer with what's this guy named Stylebender Adesanya. So if you set Usman Kamaru versus Stylebender, we all know it's going to be a dirty fight. It's going to be a bloody fight. It's going to be a very crazy fight where blood will spill out. That's exactly what happens when it comes to EURUSD's case. In the case of EURUSD, when you pay Europe to be the base currency and USD to be the quoted currency, we know it's going to be a bloody hell of moves in the market. So now, before I took this trade, okay, I actually do have this in mind whenever I want to take trade. Before I took this trade, I did have some plans such as what's my targets pips and my stop loss and the reason for taking the trades. So one of the reasons why I took this trade is from structure. I went to 4-hour time frame and then I removed it from the candlestick to skeletal view, which is, I always do these line charts to see the structure of the market, and this is actually still ranging down. We know the original structure is bullish, okay, but looking at it now, this market is beginning to break lots of lows, okay, and it's coming down drastically. Okay, so taking it back to candlestick, we all can see that NFP did its thing, CPI did its thing, and today was called PPI. Being Friday, we know what was going to happen. There was going to be a move in the market. So now, whenever you want to take trades, look at the last move that was formed in the last 24 hours. The last move is going to give you the overview, like the insights, like, okay, the direction that you're going to trade. Okay, the last move, should I say in the last 24 hours, the last move was a bearish move. Okay, bears were in control of this market. Don't stress yourself too much analyzing markets. Pay attention to basic concepts. This was the last move now. We've already seen structure that this guy is beginning to break down. So we don't want to capture the entire structure. We want to, little moves matters a lot. And if you're not careful, you won't be able to catch these little moves if you don't pay attention to basic information. Okay, forget about this move. This other bullish move is already done. This is the move that is actually present, and this move has to finish. when it's done, you will see another move form. Okay, at least let the last 24 hour, in fact, use the last 24 hours to 48 hours to justify your current trading analysis. Okay, so now the last 24 hour was bearish. After the NFP and the CPI, we are having this before us. Okay, look at this. Look at this. You know, you got here and then the market went this way. This is impulse and then this is a corrective move. I got into this market around 30 minutes time frame and I set my stop loss to be around 10 to 12 pips above the current market's resistance level. If it goes above that place, no, count me out. So I took these sales around here and this market was somewhere here. Okay, and I'm going to like show you the before and after of this market. And my TP was 33 pips, 33 pips. Okay, and we smashed TP. Yeah, right there, 33 pips. So this was a basic impulse and corrective move, looking at it. So now let me show you the before and after in my Telegram channel. I think I did post it on Telegram. This was the before, this was before, and this is the after. Okay, look at it. This is the before and then this is the after move. This is 1 hour and then this is 30 minutes time frame, just for you to know that yes, we know what we're doing and we are not, you know, exaggerating. We don't guess. If it's selling, it's selling. If it's buying, it's buying. So guys, I took a few trades, but EURUSD is my guy and I always rock EURUSD. So now we are going to allow the market play out over the weekend. Between now and Monday, we are going to see what the market is going to bring. And from my analysis, I'm expecting that the market gets here. The market gets to this point before it closes. Once it gets to this point, what are we expecting? This is a potential double bottom. At least we are going to expect a bounce towards the upside. The buying pressure that is going to happen here can move between 10 to 30 pips. From here, this bounce might move between 10 to 30 pips. Once the market gets to this point, we'll do nothing than to look for buys. From here, we'll start looking for buys and then we'll set the stop loss below the current resistance. When the time comes, we are going to do buying. So but right now we are going to allow the market to like drop to this level. So once it gets here, after it gets in here, we'll buy and then we'll wait for it to like get to a certain height before we take profit, probably 30 something pips or thereabouts. Then we'll take profit and then we are going to have around 8 more than this as stop loss. Maybe 10 pips stop loss would be okay. All right, yeah, 10 pips stop loss would be okay depending on your portfolio size. Okay, so that's that for now. You know, I do more of structure and I trade basically structure with price action, engulfing pattern, and a bit of what's it called, Elliott wave. Okay, so let's do the patience thing, you know, which is another aspect of being a good forex trader. So guys, that's it. If you like the way I actually explain my trading concepts, if you like the way I trade, if you feel you have another opinion to this, you can actually, you know, follow me on Instagram at ekemini_fx and then send me a DM. This is me just being transparent and showing you how I see the market. We all know that the overall move of this market is bullish, but inside structures, they are usually inner moves. And you don't have to wait, except you're a swing or position trader. You don't have to wait for this move to, you know, this entire structure to become invalidated before you look for entries. You know, try and, you know, look for little money while the market is breathing to survive. Because if you want to wait, we don't know how long. And now the whole country, the world is at crisis. You know, different countries bringing in different opinions, fighting each other. You want to fold your arms and wait for the structure to be completely invalidated. No, you're not a position trader. What's your portfolio? Do you have up to 1 billion naira? Or sorry, $1 billion? Obviously, you don't have up to $1 billion. So if you still trade within 1 to 100 or 200,000 or even 400 accounts, you don't need to fold your arms and wait. You have to look for money. Okay, you have to follow the structures, follow basic concepts, do day trading, and that brings us to the end of these tutorials. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Cheers.